The 2026 Honda CB150 Verza continues to embody Honda's commitment to producing a practical, efficient, and durable entry-level sport motorcycle tailored for daily use. As the successor to the popular 2025 refresh, this model retains much of its predecessor's utilitarian DNA, while slightly enhancing its visual appeal and user comfort. Targeted at budget-conscious riders, especially commuters and beginner motorcyclists, the CB150 Verza positions itself as the most affordable naked 150cc bike in Honda's lineup, prioritizing function over high-end features. In terms of aesthetics, the CB150 Verza strikes a solid balance between retro charm and modern ruggedness. It features a round headlamp with a halogen bulb, contributing to a vintage look that contrasts the aggressive tank shrouds and muscular side panels. While it doesn't boast LED lighting or flashy bodywork like its higher-tier siblings, such as the CB150R Streetfire, the Verza feels grounded in its identity as a reliable workhorse. The fuel tank is sculpted to offer a strong grip for the knees, and the updated shrouds introduced in 2025 remain on this latest model, adding a bolder, more confident stance. Two variants are available: spoke wheel (SW) and cast wheel (CW). Powering the CB150 Verza is a tried and tested 149cc SOHC air-cooled single-cylinder engine mated to a 5-speed manual transmission. The engine produces 13.04 PS at 8,500 RPM and a peak torque of 12.73 Newton-meters at 6,000 RPM. While those numbers may not excite performance enthusiasts, they are more than adequate for daily urban commuting and moderate distance travel. The throttle response is smooth and power delivery is linear, making it ideal for stop-and-go traffic conditions. The bike accelerates from 0 to 200 meters in around 11.4 seconds, demonstrating competent pickup for its class. Honda's PGM-FI fuel injection system ensures clean combustion, reliability, and excellent fuel economy, averaging 43 to 46 kilometers per liter in real-world use. Although air-cooled, the engine remains thermally stable under typical commuting conditions and has earned the reputation for being low-maintenance and resilient. Riding the CB150 Verza is a comfortable experience thanks to its neutral riding posture and balanced chassis. The bike uses a diamond-type steel frame, offering rigidity without excessive weight, tipping the scales at around 128 to 129 kilograms depending on the variant. The 31mm telescopic front forks and twin rear shock absorbers offer decent damping over most road conditions. Rear shocks are preload adjustable, giving some room for customization based on the rider weight or cargo. However, some riders may find the suspension setup on the stiffer side, especially at low speeds or on bumpy surfaces.